Get it, coat.
Because he's stepping on it. He can't get it back. His foot.
He's trying.
He's like, I'm trying to pull it out, but I can't because my foot's on it.
Hey.
And the funny thing is that thing's been under the tree for how long?
Uh-huh.
And now he's like, oh, I'm going to eat it.